Fishing licenses make great holiday gifts, and if you buy a fishing license now for the angler on your list, they won't have to wait in the long lines at the beginning of trout season next spring. Yeah, holiday vouchers make great gift ideas, whether it's for a friend or a relative. One of the worst things to have happen is you want to go fishing the next day or even the same day, and your friend says, "Oh, I don't have my license." Well, you know what? You can take care of that for them. In addition to 1-year increments, you can buy 3, 5, or 10-year licenses. When 5-year licenses went on sale, I bought one immediately. And once that expired, I bought another 5-year license. So really, for the last several years, I haven't had to worry about buying a license anytime I want to go fishing. I have it on my vest. It's always there. And that way, and if you buy one for a friend, a voucher for a friend or a relative for a multi-year license, you can lock them in as a fishing buddy for the next 5, maybe 10 years. Fishing is fun. That's why we do it. And by giving a gift voucher, you're really giving the gift of fun to someone to come join you. We all make a lot of memories on the streams. I have twin boys who are 14, and some of the best memories I have with them is fishing. So if you buy someone a gift voucher, again, you can lock them in as your fishing buddy and help them to build their own memories.